Hey there, this is Eileen from Tea with ND, and today I'm going to talk about how to find and install the Speechify Chrome extension so that you can get a great screen reader for you to use. So, okay, so you're going to go to the Chrome web store. Which is chromewebstore.google.com. And I'm on a desktop, but I'm also going to show you how to do this from an iPad and an iPhone as well. So I just got into the Chrome web store, and now I'm just going to go up here to where it says search extensions and themes, and I'm going to type in Speechify. And there it is. I already have it installed. You can see it up here where my cursor is, or the little blue box with the white audio looking icon. For you, if you don't have it installed, this is where you would click here and install it. I don't want to click because I don't want to remove it, but that's where you would do that. And then I want to show you how to use it on different web pages. Let's try going to Edutopia. All right, so loading. My internet can be a little finicky sometimes, so there's also that. Okay, so here we are on Edutopia. Okay, it's in 23 seconds, so that shows you that it has actually loaded this page completely, which is what you want. Now here, that's the play button. You can skip backward or skip forward. Here, this is kind of fun where you can click and change the voice that they use to read to you. So there's some celebrities, and then there are a whole bunch of choices with like accents from the United States or from Britain and from a whole bunch of different countries, which is pretty cool. Another cool thing you can control here is the speed. So where it says set speed, you see I have it at 1.3. And it shows you that affects the duration that you would be listening. So down here it says 250 words per minute. So if you wanted to go faster, you can control that here. And you can see how it changes the time. So now you're down to like 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Or if you want to hear it slower, you can change that too. And then the total listening time would go up. And so that's the basics for how to do this on the desktop. Down below, I'll be linking to the extension and where you can get a free trial as well. And yeah, I really love this extension. I use it on my iPhone as well. So I hope you found this helpful, and definitely try that free trial. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Also right here, this is the same place where you can actually change the language. So you see that I have English selected, but if you click there and then scroll down, you can see all these other languages that the voices will read to you in. So that's pretty awesome.